offer it to you guys more to be like a trading companion while you guys trade. I don't talk so much like that. You guys can concentrate on your setups, and if ever I find something that's interesting, I point it out and I let you guys know. But aside from that, um, yeah, it's simple trading. And if you guys want to learn, stick around and subscribe because I go live every day at 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and post a pre-market Nasdaq analysis at 9 every day. So yeah, if you guys would like to show the support, subscribe, stick around, and I'm sure I'm gonna deliver some great content for you guys. Enjoy. Let's share the screen. Let's connect to the demo like that. I could show you positions I take and the exits I take. That's interesting. No trading panel. Let's refresh. All right. All right. So as I was saying earlier in the pre-market session, right? Market structure is still bullish. Every low being respected and propelling itself a little bit higher every time. So at the open, it's going to be interesting to see if we could pop these or we come down and take these two lows to then make our way to these relative equal lows over here. So that's the plan. We remain patient, see if there's a break above with a sort of fair value gap, respect an order block, and propel itself a little bit higher from there. Or we come and take this low over here to take those relative equal lows down there. But for now, we wait. We're patient and we strike if there is something to strike at. Keep in mind that there's also this huge um, gap over here. Let's take these off because we passed them a long time ago. Let's only keep the top ones. And these are London, sell side liquidity, and Asia. And this is the gap, the new day opening gap, which is 325 points. So we might even revisit it back here. We shall see. But given the new narrative where Trump is going to be nice on China during the tariff talks, might give us some upward momentum to come and take. Let's go back on the hourly chart. Come and take these highs right here that I annotated, and you're going to see that as buy side, and make our way to these highs. So yeah, these are the ones that are in play. And right below the relative equal lows that we marked, there's a 1 hour fair value gap. So let's mark that up. And we'll do FEG. And mark it as 1H. FEG. We see it in the chart. And then there's the little last one over here. A tiny one, but nonetheless, there. 1H FEG. Fantastic. Now we can go back to our minute chart, and I think the market is about to open in 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute till market open. And now we remain patient. Any investing, any, let's go see if there's any high impact news later. So today there is high impact news at 9:45. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and also Services PMI at 9:45, so 15 minutes after the open. And after that, at 10 o'clock, there's new home sales and 10:30 crude oil inventories, but that's in the energy department. You could go look at it if you guys would like to. All right, 9:30 open. First candle right here with a clear intent of going higher. But we remain patient because as long as there's no body close above this, I'm not going long. And as long as there's no body close below this, I'm not going short. Let's put this ray to show that a body has to close above this. There's a little volume imbalance over here. We mark that in blue. Perfectly, that we know it's there. That's the old buy side. We'll take it off. All right, so there's the body break above. That was a perfect rebalance right there. I was a bit slow on the trigger, but that's fine. We might even get it again. And if we don't, that's also fine. We'll find the little structure above. Very nice what it's doing. I like it. If we come back on the top of this candle, well, actually right here, right above, is where we buy. Stop loss right here. Let's see, is it? Yeah. We have two back-to-back volume imbalance over here, so You're gonna trade back into this one, could be nice. We are in. So this price range right here was quite balanced. We had the up wick, down wick through this middle candle, and we had a two volume imbalances stacked, one one on top of the other. Now that being said, we have to find our, there you go, our stop loss, and our stop loss is there. If there is a possibility we come back to here, I will probably stack another position right below this low. This was at 930 low, yeah. Stacking your position right here. Um, and come out here. Actually, you know what? I'll put it right here at that order block. This order block right here. Right here. It's an interesting turn of events. It seems to be, if it comes back to break even, I think I'm going to take it out. I would like a little bit more interaction in this level, a little bit more resistance. But yeah, if it comes back, I doubt, yeah, it won't come back. All right, so, oh, there it is. There it is. There's the buyback. Yep, there is the buyback. I'm going straight to break even. Not fooling around with this one. And we let this candle close above. Oh, what in the world is happening? It's going straight through. Let's take some profits, I guess. I don't know why it didn't take us out, but I'm sure we're going to come and take this buy side right here. Ah, it did take us out. Okay, well, it was just a little bit late. Let's see where it took us out. Da-da-da, trading, executions. Oh, it took us out close by. If we have a chance, let's get back into this over here. Uh, it's lagging. Like my orders aren't popping up, but it's fine. I should have been in right there, and I am in. Perfect. I'm just gonna take an extra. Oh, yeah, this is a thing that I want to avoid. 15. I'm gonna take an extra point 30 maybe out of this. It's just not the type of swings that I like to see right now, like that. Just keep on pushing up, up top. Good, good. Keep on pushing. Yeah, not the type of swings I like to see. One more swing to point 20. I'm out. Oh, it's pushing way more. Stop loss. Gonna put a break even. Comes and takes me. It takes me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's fine. Take profit right above here, right above this high. Let's see, can we get something higher? I guess we cannot. That was rough. Seems to be a lot of buying over here. Let's see what we could do. I think there's a possibility of going higher. Yeah, but I'm probably not going to stay in this any longer. Yeah, I'm going to take another 0.32%. It could go higher if it wants. I made enough money today. Keep that discipline and that ego in check. No greed. Very important for trading. Uh, Look, this is it for me today. on the trading aspect. We might even see some great opportunities a little bit later in the day, but for me, that's about it. We will only take something if it's premium, premium setup. In 1 minute, we have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. Let's see how that, actually in 9 seconds. Let's see how that affects the trade. Should be out now. Let's see if profit target is going to be hit. I don't know why, but on investing.com, I can't see the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI numbers. I see the expected, but not the actual. Maybe the didn't post them yet. So over here was the take profit. Let's see what happens. If it hits it, it does. Great. If it doesn't, we're out anyways. Take profit hit. Cool. That was a stop. All right. So those are the entries and exits. Let's take a little screenshot. 10 minutes new home sales. That buy side wants to be taken. It's huge. That's huge. Let's go back and see in the 1 hour. Is it that? Yeah, it's that first one. Woo hoo hoo hoo. What a day today. What a drive. 757 points. That's 4.13%. That's amazing. That's great. Tesla's up. Tesla's down actually. Well, yeah, because of their shitty numbers, but that's fine. AMD's up. Pretty good. Nvidia's up. Oh, big rejection. Big rejection. Let's see what we got on the 5 minute. Make sure we're not missing anything on the 5 minute. No, we're not missing anything. Or on the 15 minute. 15 minutes about to create this fair value gap. So let's see. And that's quite a powerful one. It's good trading right there, folks. It's just that this um, the paper trading, it lags sometimes. When there's fast movements in the market, it just doesn't know what the hell it's doing. Nice. Some nice movement. 5 minutes about to close. 28 seconds for the 5 minute. Let's take these off. Go back on the 1 minute. Take this off too. And let's keep an eye out now. So right now, let's do market structure just to get back into the mode of trading. We were in the mode of taking profits. Now let's go back into the mode of analyzing. New high, no new low. New high, no new low. New high, and now we're in this price leg right here. So break below here, body break below here would be telling us that we might want to go get these equal lows. Let's go. A couple of friends took the same trade, which is nice. Nice to see. They took it down here. I just took a pre-stab over here, but they took it down here, which was nice. All right, now we're looking at this leg. Let's see if this leg can be broken to the downside. A full body close below here. If it does, we will be looking at, well, there's 4 minutes to new home sales. And I think Scott Bessent is going to be talking at 10. What time does Scott Bessent talk at? Let's see. Can't seem to find anything. Let's see how it reacts in let's close this fair value gap over here that I created. That's going to be fair value gap. I did tap it and continue lower, which is interesting. It didn't start like building above here. A little messy, but it's fine. Let's take these off because sometimes they're annoying. Trading, executions. What a beautiful day outside. We're moving up one step at a time. Oh, the rip, 10 o'clock. New home sales up a lot. Up a lot. Up by 40K. Good for the dollar. You know what, folks? That's it for today. Uh, we made our money. We did a total of 116 points on the Nasdaq, which is absolutely fantastic. ICT says 20 points a week. We did that in one day. So props to us and whoever's watching. I hope I gave enough value in this live stream for you guys to want to stick around. And if you guys do choose to stick around, please hit that subscribe button. Like that, I could see all the support that I get and interact with me in the chat. Like that, we could go back and forth and even um like help you out with some trade ideas if you got any or some questions. So on that note, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. Ciao.